The DC capacitor, 42 voltage, 68,000 mV. It has three leg. It has three leg. I am going to check which leg is the false. Some capacitors have three leg are working. We can use uh, positive, negative, and ground voltage. But this one I don't know. For this case, I am going to check this capacitor. This is the negative and positive working. It's working. Negative and positive working. Okay. I'm changing the loop. It's working. Maybe it got voltage. I have to discharge the capacitor. Loop. It's working. Negative and positive loop. Better to use the capacitor to start, but I'm using this multimeter. Negative and positive leg are working well. It's over. This meter can take 2000, maximum 2000. Look, now this leg not working. Maybe this one not working. This two leg are working. And number three leg may be false. I'm charging the capacitor with ground voltage. White one is the ground, black one negative, black one is the negative, negative 25, positive 25. I am using ground here. If it charges, then you can use as a ground. If no charge, cannot take charge, then it's false. This capacitor may be positive and negative voltage capacitor. It's 51 voltage. Twenty-five. Now it's false. Desoldering the wire, if got voltage, then it's working. I'm going to check now. If I have voltage, no voltage. That means this leg is false leg. Look here also a voltage. Maybe this one work with negative. This leg works with negative voltage. It's false. This leg works with also negative voltage. The body. This one is the body. So we cannot use ground voltage here. Only positive and negative voltage. Thank you for watching. This is single capacitor, not dual. Before I use one capacitor like that capacitor was dual capacitor. Discharging, it has no charge. The false leg. This is the false leg.